Many times I get the question, how did I connect the RepRap Discount Full Graphics Smart Controller display to my Friedrich or Wellman K8200 copy? In this video I will reveal the secret. Basically, besides the display itself, you will need a 2x10 IDC connector, some patience and some changes in Marlin software. Coming up! Welcome to my YouTube channel GreenEyedExplorer, where I explore further and beyond about tweaks, hacks, electronics and house repairs. Well, let's start. First, I will reveal my reverse engineering procedure in short. After that, I will show you the scheme. If you need the pictures for a closer inspection, you can find them on my homepage. All the links are in the description below. If you want to make LCD for your printer, just follow connection schematics I will show on the screen. I made a detailed video so you can troubleshoot if you have problems. You will be even capable of adding other LCDs to any other 3D printer. I encourage you to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel and click notification bell, and comment below if you have any question or better solutions. I also invite you to watch my other videos. Reverse engineering. Firstly, I had to compare the RAMPS and Friedrich schematics. It took me some time and precision, and I finally came up with a scheme. The LCD unit uses two 2x5 IDC connectors, EXP1 and EXP2, which connect to auxiliary 3 and auxiliary 4 on RAMPS via adapter board. Checking the connections, I figure out which wire goes to which digital alias output of Arduino microcontroller. After that, I translated them to digital ports of standard AVR Mega chip. As an example, let's take LCD enable pin. It goes to pin 3 on EXP1 connector, which goes to pin 13 on RAMPS auxiliary 4, which means it is D29 in Arduino nomenclature. This represents port A, pin 7 on Mega 2560 chip, or pin 71 on pinout, and so on for each wire. Scheme. For the ease of use, here is the scheme. On the first picture, there is the EXP1 connector, and on the second one, EXP2 connector. I added names of ports. The first number represents the pin number on Friedrich expansion connector. So the VCC on EXP1 goes to VCC pin 16 on expansion connector on Friedrich PCB. I marked the bottom right RST pin of Friedrich connector by number 4. MISO above is marked 3 and so on from the right to left. Why do I start with pin 3, you ask? Because pin 1 and pin 2 of the female connector we put onto Friedrich controller hang in the air and are not connected anywhere. Friedrich connector is 2x9 and I advise you to use 2x10 connector. Why? Safety reasons. A larger connector cannot be put on the wrong way. As you can see, the Friedrich controller, we have a fan connector next to our connector on the left. If you put some plastic into first and second hole on the cable connector, you will not be able to put it on the wrong way. Just safety, I say. Making connector. You will have to cut two connectors from the cables which came with your display. Separate ends of ribbon cable and put them organized according to the scheme. Here are some photos of the cable to ease your work. Regarding the SD detection wire on EXP2 pin 7, I do not use it. RAMPS has it connected to the Arduino D53 alias SS pin, while pin 9 on EXP2 is connected to ground. You can leave it unconnected as we connect the ground on EXP1 connector. Enclosure. At the end All I had to do was to print the enclosure. I found one which suited my needs on thingiverse.com. See how it looks like. Thank you for watching!